Did you know some animals can regrow lost body parts, even hearts and eyes? Nature's healing power is more incredible than you think. In this video by TheWildorra, we'll explore 5 amazing creatures with mind-blowing regeneration abilities. Stay till the end. Number 1. Jellyfish, the immortal drifter. Among all regenerating creatures, jellyfish might be the strangest. One species, Turritopsis dornii, is often called biologically immortal. When injured or aged, this jellyfish can revert its cells back to a younger state, like rewinding its life. This process is called transdifferentiation, where one cell type changes into another, essentially starting life over again. While it doesn't live forever in nature due to predators, in theory, it never has to die from aging. Number 2. Axolotl, the Regeneration King. Meet the axolotl, the smiling amphibian with incredible powers. Unlike most animals, axolotls can regrow not just their limbs, but also their spinal cord, heart, and even parts of their brain. Scientists believe their secret lies in stem cells, special cells that can turn into any other type of cell in the body. While humans scar after an injury, axolotls rebuild the damaged part, almost perfectly. No wonder researchers study them to unlock regeneration for humans. Number 3. Starfish, the multi-arm miracle. Starfish aren't just beautiful, they're biological wonders. These marine animals can regrow entire arms if one is lost to a predator. But here's the real surprise. Some starfish can regrow a whole new body from just a single arm and part of the central disc. Regeneration happens through a process called morphallaxis, where existing cells transform and reorganize to rebuild missing parts. In the ocean, they're not just survivors, they're self-healers. Number 4. Deer, the fastest bone regenerator. Deer may look gentle, but their antlers are a scientific marvel. Every year, male deer shed their antlers and regrow them entirely within just a few months. That's the fastest known bone regeneration in the animal kingdom. Antler growth is powered by stem cells located in the pedicle, the base of the antlers, and can grow up to 2 centimeters per day. Scientists study deer to understand how rapid bone regeneration might one day help humans. Number 5. Salamander, the limb regenerator. Salamanders are nature's surgeons. If they lose a tail or leg, they regrow it. Nerves, muscles, bones, everything. Their regenerative ability comes from a special structure called the blastema, a group of undifferentiated cells that forms at the injury site. These cells know exactly where to go and what to become, like biological engineers. Humans can't regrow arms, but salamanders can do it again and again.